Yeah.
One swan. Okay.
Yeah, I can show
So
you.
okay, wow, that's so cool.
And this is the flower.
Yeah.
That is, so where did you learn this?
Hmm?
You learned this from school or
Yeah, I learned it from school and have experience from the hotel.
Wow. So what is the secret of a swan? Like what's the most important thing making a swan?
Just the budget.
And it's only with the bigger towel? It's like,
Yeah, we only use the bigger towel. Yeah. You do like this.
whoa, and it's a heart shape. Wow.
I need 2 more towel for the wings.
Oh yeah, they do have a wings. Okay. Whoa, this is so cool.
What's the date wrong?
So it's all big towel, right? The big
Yeah.
towel.
Big towel.
Wow. Interesting.
What's the date wrong?
Hmm?
What's the date?
So how many years before hostel you were in the hotel?
I think that 3 years.
Wow, 3 years.
Nè con. Đừng nào mấy vòng bên tổ vẫn là hơn nào.
Anh bình sẽ mà lên như good này.
Oh, the tail.
Yeah.
Wow. And how many hours you have practiced with the swan? How many times you practice with the swan?
Just 30 minutes.
Oh, only 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow.
The teacher showed me how to make it and I can make it.
Wow.
Ayan, puji bensin.
Good.
Hah?
Good.
Sen patuh ya? Oh, ikut nenek kembung.
That's a different. The woman and the female.
Oh, there's difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So which one is the female? Which one is the?
The female, this one.
Oh.
Thing like.
Whoa.
Jadi mana?
And put,
Amazing. Oh, you put flowers.
yeah. Flower.
Whoa.
You make me remember job in the hotel.
Yes.
When the honeymoon check-in.
Wow. Good. Wow, amazing. And then the husband also have the
Yeah.
flowers. Good job. Wow, looks really pretty.
Yeah. I use the rose flower to make sound like a log.
Do you write their name too?
Yeah.
Do you just have to write their
After
name?
request, the guest request, write a name and I make it.
But what do you make with their name? With the flower or?
Yeah, with the flower, with the rose.
Oh wow.
You pick.
And then you have to like put their
Yeah,
name.
with the name like Ye love who. And you love who?
Wow, so this is the honeymoon one. Whoa,
Honeymoon one.
amazing.